Hi students, we are group number 4 and today we are going to talk about indirect questions. Our team is formed by Keila Garabi, Ángela González, Odalis Piwabe, Carlos del Peso, and myself, Hannah Alegría. Have you ever asked someone for information politely? Today we will learn how to change our everyday questions into respectful and professional expression. So let's begin with the grammar structure. And Kayla, please go ahead.
Thank you. Well, how do indirect question work? The most important thing to remember is that we use them for polite and formal content. The basic formula on the slide show that we need polite paragraphs followed by the subject and then the verb. Some very common paragraphs are could you tell me, do you know, or I was wondering. Please pay attention to this rule. We do not use auxiliaries like do, does, or did. The secondary clause changes back to the standard affirmative word order. Now, as you can see, the next section, we have two types of question. W8 question, if question start with where, what, why, and when, or how. We keep that exact word and just move the main verb to the end of sentence. Yes and no question. If it's a close question with a W8 word, we use the connector if or whether to the join ideas. Let's send some real examples with Angela.
Thank you, Kayla. Let's check our direct versus indirect examples to see how these structural shifts happens in real communication. Look at the first example on the slide. Instead of saying, where is the library? We transform it to, do you know where the library is? See how the verb is travel to the absolute end of the clause. Our second example is about daily schedules. What time does the bus arrive? In the polite version, we say, could you tell me what time the bus arrives? We completely delete the helper does and added the s to the verb arrive. Now, let's look at the ones using if. Example 3. Is the classroom open? Becomes, I was wondering if the classroom is open. The same happens with example 4. How much does this book cost? Change to, can you let me know how much this book costs? And finally, a classic question for university life. Can you help me with this? Goes to, I would like to know if you can help me. Now that you know the rules, it's time for a game. Odalis, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Angela. Okay, everyone, it's time for the polite challenge. I need 3 volunteers to help me transform these direct questions into the indirect ones. Who wants to try challenge number 1? Maybe, what's this? Maybe Ashley del Peso?
Could you tell my where the teacher is?
No, who wants challenge number 2? Remember to use if. Maybe Adamaris Gonzalez.
Do you know if the exam starts at 9?
Spot on, great pronunciation. And finally, challenge number 3. Who can transform it using the phrase we can? Maybe Jose Soriano.
Could you tell me where the teacher is?
Thank you for participating. To wrap things up, here is Carlos.
Thank you, Alice. To conclude our presentation, let's remember the main ideas. We use the direct format mostly for fast casual communication with close friends or family. However, the indirect format is essential for professional, academic, and respectful conversations. Knowing how to use it improves our communication skills significantly. Thank you very much. Your attention. Now, teacher of climates. Did you have any question or doubles that we can clarity?
No, teacher.
Okay, thank you.